Hello viewers, I'm Wasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Global TV. The first look from Jemima Khan's cross-cultural romantic comedy, What's Love Got to Do With It, will give you Desi wedding vibes. The project was announced in November 2020 and is Jemima's first film as producer. What's Love Got to Do With It made headlines in Pakistan when reports of Sajal Ali being roped in to play an important character in the first started surfacing. They were confirmed after Sajal's posted photos with Jemima Khan from the sets. The film stars Sajal, Shabana Azmi, Emma Thompson, Lily James and Shahzad Latif. What's Love Got to Do With It is being directed by Bollywood filmmaker Shekhar Kapoor. It is 11 December 2021. The last week, Studio Canal UK shared the first look from the film. It shows a man in a white kurta with a woman in what looks like a wedding. Earlier this week, Sajal shared a selfie from the set of the What's Love Got to Do With It too. According to Shekhar, What's Love Got to Do With It is a story of identities. It is about cultural clashes and it's a comedy, but it's about hiding behind an identity and how identities can become tribal and how tribalism can lead to clashes and fundamentalism. It's a rom-com but based on these fundamental ideas of people adopting identities of the fear of marginalization, he told right last year. Stay tuned, we'll be back soon with the updates of the film. Take care, bye.